Hi everyone, here we've got GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And since we've got the keyboard opened, we have to focus on this option bar and tap on the settings. If you cannot find them, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon. And here you should find the settings. So let's enter them and let's tap on the languages at the very first position. Here we've got the list of languages we've added to our keyboard and which we've applied previously. We've got only English right now, so simply tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of them. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick Assyrian because it's quite graphical, I would say. So let's tap on it. Here you can choose the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set and tap on Done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the keyboard. So let's go back and check. And here we've got actually two differences. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and here next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language actually. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. So let me do it again and again English. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it from the list and from the keyboard, because for some reason you do not need to have two different keyboard layouts. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Right now we can mark the language. So let me mark the Assyrian and tap on this trash bin icon, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So after getting back to the keyboard we can check the changes again. So the spacebar is empty and we actually cannot see the globe icon, so it means that we cannot switch through the languages. So actually that's all. This is how to add a keyboard language in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.